Oh, hi guys! This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today. Also, today is Sunday. For first of all, I need to tell you something that's real important to you guys. I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday because I got to go to a Saturday singles place at Crossings Church yesterday. I went to a Saturday night church I went to, and first of all, I got to go to bed real early tomorrow, and I overslept until 11:48, and because the reason why I needed to sleep in more because I didn't sleep real good last night. And first of all, I will be saying is to you guys, I'm going to start running my Blue Bissell 9 amp upright vacuum cleaner. It was made in 1998. First of all, a lot of things that really took me a decade to go find. The black Bissell Microlock 7 stages white track with the 10 amp motor upright vacuum cleaner I need to go find. And I still need to find a 1997's black Bissell Microlock 7 stages with the white track with the 10 amp motor. It's the soft bag, and I really kind of grew up with, and I still need to go find it. And also, I still need to find a Blue Bissell 3000 upright vacuum cleaner with the hard box with the bag. It was made in 1997. And also, I still need to find a Hoover Elite Supreme. Was made in 97 in a green color. And first of all, I still need to find a Hoover Dimension. Yeah, one of my childhood vacuums. And first of all, there's a lot to say, and I still need to find some really good Hoovers at the thrift store over at OK Family Thrift Store or Bergen's Thrift Store, Best Thrift, and Heart and Hand Thrift Center, and I'm gonna do that after my dad's 61st birthday party. It was a small party that year, and it's going to be important. I might spend the day with my dad on September 5th. And I'm going to do some videos over there called Marshall's Day Off. It's going to be important to me. Last year, there was nothing much going on last year at the time. And also, I gotta say to you guys, I have to start over my YouTube videos. I have to start over making brand new videos. I have to start over making brand new content for you guys. And I had to delete all of my older videos because they were bubblegummed. They were very old and cringed and real unfogged. And my old videos were very, very cringed. And from 2017 and 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022... those are the old videos I actually did delete off of YouTube. First of all, I haven't been using my laptop in a while, and I was thinking about using it in my studio room for all my vacuum cleaners and carpet cleaners in there, and I'm gonna have my own desk in my own office, and I can still do reaction videos, and I was thinking about doing reaction videos in the times, and for first of all, you guys, I was thinking about getting a reaction cam for Christmas, and I was thinking about setting up my own studio, my own Marshall Studios area in the Marshall Studios Forever room. The Marshall Studios Forever studio room will be in my old bedroom, where I used to sleep in all the time. I used to sleep in my old bedroom at the times. And for first of all, you guys, instead of me talking, I will run this vacuum cleaner for you guys. And also, I have to keep an eye one out on a black Bissell microlock. I have to keep an eye on one, okay? I'm here to let you know in advance, okay? Man, this vacuum cleaner does bring back from the 90s. And this blue Bissell 9-amp motor vacuum, soft bag, this machine does remind me back in the year 1998 when they first made it. And for first of all, I was thinking about doing a makeover on this machine to make it restored it and make it new. And yeah, also you guys, I'm gonna turn on the switch. And it's gonna be loud, naturally loud, okay? 3, 2, 1, action! Not too bad at all, everybody. Well, for first of all, you guys, it's not that loud. Not too bad at all. And for first of all, I wanted to say to you guys, this is one of my favorite vacuum cleaners right here in my collection. And this machine has been in very fantastic, good condition. And I'm going to still use it forever. And for first of all, I was thinking about making another video on this machine. And if I ever got the black Bissell Microlock 7 stages upright vacuum, I'll let you know in advance, okay? And I'm still keeping this machine. Well, guys, I'm still keeping my blue Bissell 9 amp upright vacuum cleaner because it's real vintage, pretty old. This machine's about 25 years old, the same age as me, and this vacuum is the same age as me. The same age as me. For first of all, I'm going to still use it. I'm going to still use it for videos for vacuuming. And for first of all, I really still need to find the red Bissell Power Partner 8000 and the black Bissell Microlock. And for first of all, I still need to find a dark blue Bissell 10 amp upright vacuum, and that's only it. And for first of all, I wanted to say to you guys, click thumbs up, hit subscribe, click down below what you like to see, and click on the comics what you like to see for a new video for Marshall Studios Forever. And also, let me know in advance if you want to see more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!